guys, Shane TCG here, back with another video. And today we have 8 booster packs of Miraculous Revival. There's 8 of these to open today, and hopefully pull some goodness. Straight into it. First pack with Freezer. There is only one secret rare in here, but let's hope we can get it. I'm gonna bust through these. Freezer there. Super Saiyan Vegeta. Jinyu. And oh! First super rare pull of the day. King Piccolo. That is really nice. First pull of the day. Super. So, on to the next. Come on. Still need my. After that first secret rare, still have not got a secret rare. We move on. Revival of the Emperor. Sight Demon rocking out. Master Saiyan. Leader card. Super Saiyan Son Goku. King Barrage Son Goten. Pro Best Pal. Hidden Feelings. Time Magic. Yamcha. Krillin. Charles Wick. Whoa! Another super rare. Oh my god, we're on a roll here. Super 17. Cell Absorbed. Oh my god, look at that. All the nicest super rares. How sick is that? 2 already. Let's go. Alright. Come on. We go free for free. Free for free. Lexian Outcome Leku. That I say. Baba. Come on, King Barrage Piccolo, Unthinkable Fate, Freezer, Spike, Bulma, Kilo, rare, not too bad. Let's keep it going. Pan, World Peace, Builder, Super Saiyan Vegeta, Master Roshi, Death Ball, Son Goku, Great Saiyan Man, Personal Ambition, Nappa, and Foil Common, and another rare Vegeta. I think we are now halfway through. Infernal Messenger, Tiny Warrior Son Goku, Grandpa Gohan, Super Saiyan Blue Son Goku, Bandage to the Rescue, Dragon Ball Secret Bulma, Frieza, and Dragon Ball. Oh, super rare! 3 super rares. Gogeta. That's 3. Look at that. SPR secret top off. Come on. Let's keep it going. Janemba. Oolong. That's really nice. Hellfire 17. Piccolo. Spike. Krillin. Evil Genius. Dr. Moon. Dragon Ball. Uncommon Sight Demon, and rare. New foil rare left. Come on. Let's get it. If you pulled the secret rare, let me know how many packs it's taking to get the secret rare in a set. There's only one in there. How it looks. gold. Rare. And oh my god. We've only gone and pulled it after saying it. Oh my god. Wow. The lighting's not doing any justice there because it's all gold. Look at that beauty. Oh my god. First secret rare pulled. I need to grab that in a sleeve ASAP. Boom. Look at that. I am hyped. Secret rare pulled. That is nice. I can't believe I've just gone and pulled that after saying that. Look at this open. 3 super rares. Only gone and pulled a secret rare. 1 pack to go. It's absolute madness. Absolute madness. Last pack. Oh my god. I really can't believe it. That's crazy. I really don't care what we get in this last pack. Some Goku and yeah, rare. Still really nice. But look at that. That is what I've been waiting for. Oh my god. That is amazing. And 3 there. You got your super rares as well. What an opening. I still can't believe we've gone and pulled it. That is absolutely amazing. Well, today, luck is on my side. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe, would be much appreciated. Thanks guys, see you next time.